Do you ever feel like your body just doesn't fully relax? Even when nothing stressful is happening, you still feel slightly braced? Hi, I'm Dr. Heather from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. That often reflects low vagal tone. The vagus nerve is your body's primary calming pathway. When it's functioning well, you activate when needed and then return to baseline. When it's not, you stay just a little activated. You might notice digestive discomfort, shallow breathing, sleep that never feels quite restorative. Now here's the part that surprises many people. The vagus nerve exits the skull and travels through the upper neck. That region is vulnerable to posture stress, birth strain, old injuries, and if signaling there is compromised, regulation becomes harder. And if one nerve influences digestion, heart rhythm, inflammation, and emotional steadiness, what happens when that signal improves? Often, multiple systems stabilize at once. At Wellspring, that's our focus, restoring clarity in that pathway. So here's something simple you can try. Hum gently for 30 seconds today. That vibration directly stimulates the vagus nerve and strengthens your calming system.